Mon sommeil, j'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution au problème que le vent se lève. De temps en temps, on se rend heureux pour l'éternité.
And here's my harvest, the leafy greens. I'm about to cook dinner. I am making pork soup. This is 5 pounds spare ribs, and just wanted to show you the gorgeous flowers from the weekend. Still very pretty. Today is already like Wednesday. Vegetables for our like soup, potatoes and then corn, and later I'll add chayote and celery, carrots, and what else? Add the leafy vegetables from the backyard garden. Let's do the potatoes and corn first, and then I'll prepare the rest. The carrots and the chayote will be next. The chayote and carrots, and then celery, and then the vegetables from the backyard garden, which I already washed. So it's done. Dinner is ready. Soup with spare ribs, chayote, corn, potatoes, carrots, celery, and leafy greens from the backyard garden. Let's eat. A lot of songs. Here. And that's it. I have the water here and lemon slices. I keep track of my water intake to make sure that I drink at least the recommended benchmark, which is 8 glasses of water a day. And I'm so happy with the tumbler that was given to me by Menino. What I like about this is the large capacity. This is 40 ounce, so I only need 2 of this in a day. I fill this up with water and lemon slices, since we have a lot of lemons in the backyard garden, and then that would last me through like lunchtime, and then fill this up again for like from afternoon to like sleeping time. And that's a very easy way to keep track and make sure that I consume like sufficient water every day. Another thing that I like about this is the wide opening. So in the morning when I'm in a hurry, I can just grab like ice cubes and dunk them here. And this is like leak proof. So let's close this, and then as you can see, it doesn't like leak. And also, like if I need to put ice, it's like really easy, like I mentioned earlier. Very easy to put. Super easy to like dunk ice cubes, versus like this, where you have to do it kind of like that, one by one. You cannot just dunk everything, all the ice cubes there. And then very easy to like clean, since it has a wide opening. When it's cleaning time, you can like clean it up to like the bottom. So I highly recommend this one if you have a need for a bigger tumbler. Also, this is made of high quality stainless steel that is food grade and break resistant. So this is going to last for a very long time. I really love the handle too. It's easy to grab and go and bring this anywhere you go. The park when I work out, so everywhere. So everywhere I go, I have it with me. So that's what I like most about this. And this fits perfectly on the cup holder. And this comes in many different colors. I think 10 plus. This is rose gold. So these are the attributes: sweat-free design, stainless steel, double-walled vacuum insulated, BPA free, and then 10% of their profit they give it away. This can keep the water ice cold for 30 hours and piping hot for 12 hours. It comes with 2 like straws, the straight one and then the bent one, and also with this like straw cleaner, so you can just clean your like straw. If your goal this year is to live a healthier lifestyle and you tend to forget to drink like sufficient water, then you may need this one. I'll put the link down below if you are interested. We're going to Paris Bucket. which one, which is daddy's croquette. Hi Josh. Two. And how many percent are you getting?
Only one.
Spaghetti. And we have this. The company who collaborated with me on this watch band, Bandletic, which I super duper like, sent me another one. This is also like magnetic, but it has different features, and it is like more of two tones. I love the two-tone perforated pattern, which is visually appealing and functional. This is a perfect gift too. See, everyone has Apple Watch. So if you know of anyone who is celebrating like a birthday or like special occasion, you can give this like wristwatch, like watch band too. So this is magnetic, and it has this like thing. We have some leftover croquettes from Paris Croquette, which husband and I are eating for breakfast today. I need to warm this up because I put it in the fridge. One is, this is like curry croquette, and then the other one is crab croquette. Let's warm this up first. Once I'm done with the bracelet, this is ready too. 5 minutes. I'm making, the coffee is ready too. Timer 5 minutes. Okay, let's continue. Super fast to wear, especially when you're in a hurry. This is like really perfect, and this comes with like two tones or two colors. So now we have like, I have this as like black, and then I can switch it to like orange. So the other side is like orange. So one watch band, two colors, with a super like strong magnet. So the other one is black, now it's orange. This one is like really more like sporty in terms of the style. It's more for outdoor or like when you're playing sports. This one can be both. So it can be like sporty, and you could also wear this in more of like business casual. And again, it has like two like colors. So the orange and then the black is more of, the orange will be like more like sporty, I think. Black too is more of like sporty and can be like business casual. Features N52 grade magnet, which is stronger for superior hold, precise fit, and unmatched magnetic performance. Very exquisite craftsmanship with retro elements and modern technology, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. This is so comfortable, soft, lightweight, and crafted from high quality silicone. This is waterproof, dustproof, tear resistant, and water resistant. This is a super cool watch band. This was sent to me by Bandletic. I'll put the link down below if you're interested. I am preparing our weekend brunch. I have here like the rice cooked like Mexican style, and then the beef. This is carne asada, or like the flap meat, sliced like thinly like this. And then I think this is the same meat that they use for the tacos. And then avocados, and then eggs. Here. This is a lemon from our backyard garden. This is so fragrant. One of our lemon trees, it bears like lemons that are seedless. Look at this, and look at how pretty. It's kind of like a perfect lemon. My favorite for like beef or for steak. Time to make coffee now because of the exhaust. This is what we are using right now, the Italian like roast. This has notes of dark cocoa and toasted marshmallow. And let's pick these flowers to put onto our vase. It's still like really windy. Look at cleaned. These are the flowers that I picked from our backyard garden. So very, very pretty. Slice this into like bite-sized pieces. More squeezes of lemon. Squeeze down more lemon. This is really good too. This is garlic and onion seasoning. This kind of meat is so tender, it doesn't require that much time to cook. I went to the market yesterday specifically to just like get this avocado. It's windy again. I think it's ripe. It's super ripe for this. There you go. Then I'll just take this bit out. Our weekend brunch is ready. What are we having, Josh?
We're having beef, egg, avocado, rice, coffee, and chocolate milk.
Yes. Mexican rice. I forgot to show earlier, we have salsa too. So this is my plate. Yum yum, let's eat. Josh and I are going to walk here at the park.
Soleil à tes pieds sont cachés, des mondes et merveilles, un baiser volé te lève de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes, que le vent se lève de temps en temps, nous serons heureux.
Josh and I are here at the park and I am using this one. This is super great. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. What's that? This is super great to bring when you are working out at a park. Like when you're thirsty, you have a lot of water, no?
Let's see who can make it to the end of the ground.
We're trying to race. Okay, go.
We're going to the end.
Say
of
1,
the
2, 3.
playground. 1, 2, 3.
This is a super cool watch band. This is from Bandlerik.
Then sit.
Nice. Oh, that's your style. Now we're heading to World Market and Michael's to check out if they have some nice decorations. Don't touch me. Oh, nice. This is pretty. Oh, look at this. Isn't this like pretty? Let's look at the wreath. This one is nice. It looks natural. This is actually what I would like to look here. That's why I'm here. This is $34.99. So cute. Look at the glasses. These are $6.99. Mushroom flowers like strawberries. Candle holders and candles too. This one is so cute. Really heavy too. This is $9.99. These are their Valentine's like stuff. I'm done here. Now I'm heading home. There are the flowers here in our front yard. Or like in our front porch. I just got like this stuff from World Market. This one. This beautiful mug for like Valentine's Day, and then also for more of Valentine's season. I think I can use this from like right now up to like springtime, since it has more of like spring like theme to it. And then this one is so I was on my way out and the lady told me, oh, like check out our Christmas like section, they are 90% off. I just like marked them like 90%, so this is 90%. Just like that one what I got. Here's what I got.
Oh, that's
Nice.
for you. It's nice.
I know I wanted to get two, but then I was like, maybe you don't want to drink on like this mug, so I only got one for myself. And then this is what I told you. This one is 90% off. It's almost free.
What is that?
It's
Oh.
like chocolate. So this is $11. It's only $1 something since it's 90% off. So these are the only two that I got from like World Market. This is like 1 second. So the mug is $7.99, and then the chocolate is used to be $11.99, now only $1.19. Great deal, right? They have coffee too, but it's all like Christmas flavor, and like it's their ground coffee.
Soleil, à tes pieds sont cachés des mondes et merveilles, un baiser volé te lève de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie